Would you like a house tour? Hi everyone, my name's Esther and I'm a medical student, and welcome to my room tour slash me decluttering, because I feel like I hoard a lot of stuff and I need to just get rid of a bunch of things. Okay, so we're going to start off with my bedroom, and I feel like it's kind of difficult to make a space that you're renting feel cozy because I wanted to avoid buying a lot of stuff because I have to move out at the end of the year. Okay, so here is my bed, and I've got this cute little duvet with these cute little bows on it. And then of course I've got my teddy bear. This is Ozzy because I use him or maybe her to practice for OSCEs, and I just do little exams on. Okay, so I wanted to get some lights here. So I've got some little lights on the wall. And I also thought I'd put some lights underneath the bed as well. Okay, so now I think I'm going to have to start decluttering these drawers because I've just got so much stuff and I just need to arrange it, tidy it up, and sort it out. Okay, this is such a weird angle, but here is my little dresser. I'm just going to try and tidy it up. So this is where I get ready every morning. I've got my makeup and all my bits and bobs here. But if I open it up, let me lower the angle. It's so messy, you can barely even tell what's in here. So let me just give it a quick tidy. And I think I should get a bin bag, so I'm going to be throwing a lot of stuff away. Be right back. Right, so I've got my bin and ready to go. Let's try and tidy up this mess. And I think the top drawer is going to be all my hair stuff. So I have got, this Revlon hair dryer, and it's actually quite good. It comes with comes with a bunch of different attachments. Oh, why is that there? There's a bead for some reason stuck in there. But it comes with this attachment. We've got this one too. I don't know where to put everything. I've got some braiding hair, of course. Gonna keep that. Oh my goodness. I've got a copy of The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. I've also got these gloves because I feel like I'm so clumsy. So whenever I do my hair, I just have this on so I don't burn my fingers off. Oh, this is cute. I think I got this from work. And I've got some, where is this? I've got a German receipt. I think it's from my holiday to Germany. Yeah, this is all in German. Or maybe it's Austrian. Maybe I got this from Austria. Anyways, in the bin. Okay, so here is one of my wigs actually. It's one of those sensational wigs. I think I'll put it here with all of my hair stuff. Oh yeah, let me show you the hair products that I use. So my hair is now in braids. I need to take out these braids. Oh, that's going to be a whole thing. But anyways, my hair, I used to relax it, but now I'm trying to go natural. And the products I'm using, recommend some, if you know any good products, because I don't want to do the big chop yet until my hair grows out a bit more. But I use this for my braids, because these hair braiders are so expensive, so to save money, I just braid my own hair. And then I also get dandruff, so I do use this. And then my detangling spray. What else do I use? I've got this leave-in. I actually quite like this one. This is my heat protectant. And I got some mousse for after my braids. And then when I do wear wigs, but I don't wear wigs that often because I want to protect my hairline, I just use this. And where's my other stuff? I've got other products. Oh yeah, I've got this Indian hemp thing that I quite like as well. But I also use from The Ordinary that peptide, the peptide thing. But this is gonna be this is so uncomfortable. Let me just sit down properly. Okay. But it feels so weird like looking up. But this is like my little travel makeup bag. And these are kind of the main things I use. So primer. So when it comes to primers, I use like sunscreen. Where's my sunscreen? But I use like the Biore one, or I use this one that I got from like She Glam. And then foundation wise, this NARS foundation, so good. Other ones I like Fenty, or like I've got the NYX one as well, and that's also quite good. It's got some random bit of toilet roll, but so yeah, foundation. But I've also been trying to use like powder foundation. This one's from She Glam. It's actually quite good. But yeah, my makeup routine, like if you care, but yeah, is like literally primer, NARS foundation. Oh, where's the lid? Oh no. I used like the NYX brow pen, but oh, I hope it hasn't dried out. The lid wasn't on it. Oh no, I think it's... No, I think it's dried out now because the lid came off. Oh, it's a shame. It's actually such an amazing brow pen. Maybe if I like shake it, because like, it's like barely drying on my hand. I think it's done. Okay, maybe if I put it back on, it will come back. But I think it's dried out. But anyways, I use this for my brows. Oh, but this, I think I got discontinued the like Revolution bronzer, but this was amazing. Like, it still is amazing. But this Revolution bronzer, it's so good. And then, oh, I got this in America. The like Maybelline Fit Me powder, amazing. When it comes to blushes, I have the She Glam one. This one is okay. It's like not the most pigmented. I want to get the Juvia's Place one at some point, like maybe made by Mitchell. But this Milani one is also fantastic. And then, what else is in here? I've got like my makeup brushes. Oh, this is fabulous. The Revolution like lip gloss. Yeah, it's the Pout Bomb. And then I've got this mascara from Shein and this concealer from Shein as well. They're actually not too bad. But yeah, let me try and figure out where everything should go. Okay, so time for the final drawer. So this is just random stuff. I've got this like tripod for my DJI Action 5, and I thought I'd use it a lot last year when I went to Spain and Portugal because they like floats. So I thought, okay, I'll be in the water swimming, taking like underwater shots. I didn't do any of that. But anyways, and this is the waterproof phone case I got. It's actually terrible. Like water still got in. But thankfully the camera was like waterproof though. This is the other camera case. This one's like good. Like my camera didn't break. So yeah, fair. And these are just like, oh, it's on the wrong way. So the Sabrina Carpenter perfumes, I actually really like them. And I found these like kind of dupes at Savers, and they actually smell really nice. So I got like these two. And then I've also got this one. What does this smell like? Because I love perfumes, but like on a budget now. This is nice. This is like a Huda Beauty dupe again. On this one, this is my new one. It's this one, Angam, Second Song by Lattafa. Smells really sweet. And I also got this from Savers as well. Like, oh, can you see? It's like the Lush. Yeah, like the Lush, is it Sweet Dates? That one. But this does not smell that good though. So yeah. And I think I've got another issue. So I've got like a bunch of like cables here because I need to plug in the lights on my wall and the lights underneath my bed. But it's just kind of like, I don't know, it's just kind of here and a bit of like an eyesore, but what can you do? Okay, so now we are gonna have a look through my wardrobe. And when it comes to my wardrobe, I feel like I need to get rid of some clothes. I've like ordered some new like summery ones. So I think when those come in, I need to like have a rethink and just give some stuff away to like charity shops and whatnot. But yeah, here's my wardrobe. I don't have the like capacity to like organize it. Let me bring this closer. Okay. Ooh. How's that? Okay, that's okay. Yeah, these are just some of my pieces. Let's see, what's my favorite? Oh, actually, this is like not my favorite. This is like my least favorite. Oh, if I can get it out. Okay. I got this from Aloe. And as you can see, the like aloe has come off. So what is it now? Because it's not aloe. What else do I have in here that is like nice? Because even though I've got like loads of clothes, I feel like I've got nothing to wear. Okay, I've got this. It's like a dupe for like the BBL jacket. I got this like BBL jacket. But oh yeah, this is a cute skirt. So there's this like cute skirt with like little, it's got like kisses on it. Isn't that adorable? So this is just like a random corner of stuff. So I've got all of my posters because I did some research. I kind of don't want to look at it, so I'm going to have a little look at it and then I'm going to like just overanalyze it and like notice every mistake that I've made. So this is why it's like kind of kept in this corner and like hidden away. And then I have got this like yoga mat that is still literally in the plastic. I've never used it. I bought this in January for like my New Year's resolution, like new year, new me, I'm gonna work out, do Pilates, blah, blah, blah. That didn't happen. Like I still go to the gym, but it wasn't as much as what I said I would have in January. And I've not done any like at home yoga, at home Pilates like I said I would have in January. But yeah. Then this is like my uni bag. So this is like actually quite a good backpack. It's got like a bit at the bottom for like shoes or like anything you want to like put down there. It's got like a little pouch here, another bit here. It's got like a laptop sleeve like here. Space for my umbrella, a water bottle. But I feel like it's not the most stylish of bags. Do you know what I mean? Like I want a bag like this that just looks a lot cuter. And then, oh, that's stuck. I've got the Trader Joe's bag, which has become like my swim bag because I'm trying to like become a better swimmer right now. Because summer's coming up, I want to be like swimming, jumping off boats, all of that. I have got my stethoscope. Okay, so I can confirm that my heart is still there. Right, and I think that's about it for my room. I feel like I've gotten rid of like quite, not as much stuff. I need to get rid of like a lot more stuff, but I'll do that another time. I'm not like ready to let go yet. So I think I'm going to go maybe to the sitting room and just show you guys the sitting room quickly. So this is the sitting room. And honestly, I feel like this place has so much wasted potential. Because like, there's no TV here, and there really should be. But again, because I'm moving out, I don't want to like have to buy a whole TV and then have to lug around that TV to my next place. But yeah, we've got a sitting room here. And it has not one, but two sofas. Here's the other sofa and another teddy bear here. And I'm honestly not really in here much because, let me sit here with the teddy. Yeah, I'm honestly not here much because I feel like I'm only in this room if I've got people over. Before I go to the study, one thing I love about this flat is, okay, oh, but I thought this was so cool. So like, you can see it's getting brighter, right? Oh, it's actually really bright now. But you can literally dim them, which is so cool. Like, so this is the study, and this is a whiteboard desk. I feel like a whiteboard desk, or just like a very big whiteboard, is a must-have in uni, especially for medicine, because I think just doing questions, doing Anki is so nice just to write things down. But yeah, this is the desk, this is the study. It's like quite tiny, but it's actually just like nice to kind of get away from my room, because I feel like if I study in my room, my bed is right there, my distractions, like my phone, everything is like right there. So I just come here to study, but it is also like in the flat, so I could just easily walk back to my room. But I think it's nice to have like a little bit of tension, like a bit of space, a bit of like space and a bit of like distance. So I'm like kind of focused and forced to stay here and actually get some stuff done. I've got like my little pen, so I can just come in here and write whatever down. Like, okay, so welcome to the kitchen. Now I absolutely love to cook, so I'm gonna show all of like my appliances, not my favorite bits and bobs. So first of all, I've got a Ninja. I've got this like Ninja blender slash food processor. It comes with like this big blending thing. And then I've got like a smaller one for smoothies and like kind of more sweeter stuff. And then, of course, like microwave, kettle, toaster, the boring stuff. But I've got a KitchenAid. This is actually such a lifesaver because I love to bake and I love to just like make a bunch of sweet treats. This is so good actually. It comes with like this whisk, and I've got the like bread one, and this other thing is this bit as well. Let me show you the cupboard. So of course, had to have like all the seasonings here. So one other thing, I saw this and I actually bought it because I thought it was like so cute. But I got like these little sticky pad things, but they're not double-sided, so I can't stick this onto the wall. But yeah, here is my air fryer. And of course it's like, oh, it's like a double air fryer. And you can like either split it in half using this or just have like one big compartment. But yeah. Okay, and I almost forgot, there is like one other thing that's probably the highlight and the best thing about this flat. Drum roll. If you do have a washer dryer, that's it. Okay, so before I go, another thing I wanted to recommend is this. So these are like little kind of Lego lunches, like freezer cubes that I found on TikTok. So you just like pop the food in here, comes with a lid, put it in the freezer, and then here's some I made earlier. So like, I made some jollof rice and I just froze it. And like it comes out in these like cute little cubes. And it just makes meal prepping so much easier. Okay, so that is the end of the flat tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and bye.